HoneyBook is a comprehensive client management platform tailored for event planners, streamlining various aspects of your business operations. Here's how you can utilize HoneyBook to enhance your event planning services. Lead management. Capture and organize client inquiries efficiently. HoneyBook's lead management tools allow you to record contact information, respond automatically, and track potential clients seamlessly. Customize templates. Create and use templates for proposals, contracts, and questionnaires. This ensures consistency and saves time when onboarding new clients. Online contracts and signatures. Utilize ready-to-go, professional contract templates. HoneyBook enables automatic creation with smart fields, providing a seamless client experience with online reviews and signatures. Scheduling and communication. Manage appointments and maintain clear communication with clients. HoneyBook's scheduling tools and centralized communication features help keep all parties informed and aligned. Project management. Oversee all aspects of your events with HoneyBook's project management tools. From task assignment to timeline tracking, ensure every detail is accounted for. Financial management. Send invoices, accept online payments, and monitor financial reports. HoneyBook simplifies financial transactions, making it easier to manage your business's monetary aspects. Analytics and reporting. Gain insights into key metrics such as revenue, bookings, and client engagement. HoneyBook's analytics and reporting features allow you to make data-driven decisions to grow your business.